Okay, here are the expectations for your research paper. This is your formatting checklist. So you need to have an opening paragraph, body paragraphs, conclusion paragraph. It must be 2 to 3 pages long, and if it's 2 full pages at least, and each paragraph should be at least 6 sentences long. So that 2-page requirement does not include that works cited page, which will come at the end of your paper. It should be double spaced from beginning to end. Use Times New Roman or Arial font. Indent your paragraphs. At that first line of the paragraph, you press the Tab key. You should also create a title that reflects well what your topic is. You should have a full heading on the upper right hand or upper left hand corner of the paper. So I'll let you look at that example for just a moment. Alright, so you're using MLA format here. And notice these headings here, everything is all the same font all throughout. The title isn't anything extra special other than being centered. No extra spaces. You will find a document that goes over this example right here within the course materials. It's called MLA format. Okay, you'll also need to have some in-text citations where you're quoting information from somebody else. You need to have 3 reliable expert sources for your research that you found to support your points. You should have a thesis, and a great way to start it is a 3-pronged thesis. It is not required that you have a 3-pronged thesis, but this is a great way to start it. Okay, you identify 3 ideas within that thesis, in these ideas that you're going to follow in your paper. These are ideas you talk about in your body paragraphs. You follow that same organization from your thesis to your body paragraphs. So here's an example. The life of the typical college student is characterized by time spent studying, attending class, and socializing with peers. So how that would look, so we have that 3-pronged thesis that comes as the last sentence in the introduction paragraph. And then the first sentence in each of these body paragraphs would touch on one of those ideas in that 3-pronged thesis. So we have time spent studying, attending class, and socializing. Here are some examples for you. Again, these are found within the course itself, the course materials, of how it should look, an example paper, how it should be laid out. You can refer to these examples in more depth throughout the course materials. Okay, and last but not least, make sure you have the works cited page. Make sure you are following MLA guidelines. Make sure you are citing your sources throughout your paper, not plagiarizing. So this will be found in those course materials as well. This example, this is exactly how your works cited should look. It's in alphabetical order. Everything is double spaced in the same font all throughout. The title is works cited and centered, and everything belonging to one particular citation is indented. You can use those websites there at the bottom, easybib.com, etc., to create a works cited page. And remember that when you're conducting your research, you have a great resource already at your fingertips called Grolier's Encyclopedia. You get to it from clicking on that link when you are logged into your account. Let me know if you have any questions. Contact me, and good luck.